Girl, it's me. Whew. It's been a long time since I've done this. Today, we're going to make a lipstick Valentine, and it's gonna be real cute. You're going to need a felt tip pen, like a Sharpie. Woo, we gotta do this fast because I only have like maybe 20 minutes left of this nail polish. You need a couple of different shades of lipstick. Doesn't matter what they are as long as it's at least 2. You need a photo frame, juices, liquids, beverages. All right, first of all, you want to have moisturized your lips last night. Put on some lip balm. What is this? What is this? It opens the wrong way. It opens the wrong way. You don't have to do all this. Just moisturize last night, okay? Go back to last night and then do this project today. Is what you want to do. Because you're going to be using different kinds of lipstick, and we know how it goes. And the point of this is you don't want to spend a lot of money, okay? So just get some dollar lipsticks from Dollar General, Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, whatever. Just get some dollar lipsticks, and don't worry about it after that. You're going to open up your picture frame, and you're going to get inside that bad boy. You're going to get inside its heart. Is this glued in here? What is happening? Please, sir, it's terror glue. It's terror glue. Sir, I'm gonna use this because I don't have paper. Ugh, I have to put my mouth on there? You have to put your mouth on this. Get yourself some new paper. I have health insurance, so I'm just gonna wing this one. Oh man, I am a slow Loris. I have a table right in front of me. You're going to put a message on it. A message that says something like, I love your face. You're a real sweet person. You got real nice breath. You have a gentle disposition. Thank you for being a friend. Thank you for not farting in your sleep. Ooh, that's the sound that I have to make when I'm writing cursive, because it's a dying art. Oh, this is just darling. This is just darling. Okay, and then I'm just gonna fill it out a little bit. We got this going on. That's cute, right? It's cute. Got some little dots. I was thinking for a good 10 minutes that you could put the theme song to Scooby-Doo right behind Roy Orbison's Oh Pretty Woman. Think about that just for a second. Let me know if I'm wrong. Alright, so we're gonna open up our lipsticks, and this first color I have, it is by Wet n Wild. These are all by Wet n Wild because I don't do makeup, so don't ask me about stuff about makeup. I just know that it's gonna transfer really well, and also that this is gonna leave me alone. Can you open? Can you open? Can I be a part of you? Can I put you on my body or no? What is going on here? Nobody wants me to have anything. You grab your compact. And what you're going to do is you just liberally apply the lipstick to thine own mouth. This is gonna take a while. And you're going to use another different surface. I found a notepad, and you're going to put it behind your thing, and you're just gonna kiss it. And you'll, ooh, that's what my mouth looks like? Ugh, it's real uneven. You just kiss it and you'll wear, and then you're gonna do it again. You're gonna apply more lipstick. You don't need a compact after that because you're a pro. You can just do another one. That one's better. And you're just gonna go to town on it, all right? But don't do a lot because you have other colors. If this is the only color you have, just do the one color and go everywhere. But if you have 2 colors, calm down. And if you have 3 colors, chill out, dude. Chill. I have 3 colors, so I'm just gonna show. I'm gonna do 2 more of these in the same color, and then we're gonna go to the next color. Probably a good idea to start off with your lightest color first, and then move your way up. But I don't keep my hand on the rule book, my friend. Oh. I should apologize to myself. It doesn't even look different from the other color. I look like the person who brings the food to the family reunion, but you're not. You know you're not supposed to touch her food. Cause she always be cooking with her cat in the kitchen. Oh, it's real juicy. Oh, it's inside of me. Yes. This is fun. Right there. Yes. That one's a little bit aggressive. Okay. Put it on. And you just put it. And you just put it. Just keep putting it. Put more and more, and just put more and more, and just put more and more, and just keep going. And you keep on putting more and more, and you just put more and more, and you put more. You just keep putting more and more, and you just keep putting more. You just keep putting more. Just keep on putting it. Just keep putting it. Put more. That's fine. That's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. It's fine. Listen, end all be all. I don't care how perfect this is. I don't have time. Here's the problem. If you don't do this gently, this lipstick will all smear. Okay, I'm just putting it against there. And then I'm gonna close it up real fast. Let's close it up. Let's close it up real fast. And then, this is real cute. This is real cute. That's all. It doesn't look like what I thought. It doesn't look as good as I thought it would. Yeah, you know, enjoy that. This is the one that I made for my husband last year, probably. That one was cute. That one was a good time. Right? Look at that. Look at how it is. Anyway, I want you to enjoy yourself and be safe.